How to fix App Store ask for old Apple ID password on iPhone iOS 18 or 17. So if you want to fix your Apple Store ask for old Apple ID password on your iPhone 18 or 17, then what you need to do is the first solution that your Apple account should be logged in. So open up your settings, and under settings here you need to go with your Apple account, tap on it, and then you can go with media and purchases and simply sign out and sign in again with a new password. So tap on sign in and it will ask you, are you sure if you want to sign out? So you just need to simply go with sign out. After that, go and tap on media and purchases again and then go with continue and try to log into your account and it will be automatically signed in again. So this will fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the second method, which is you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to search for FaceTime. Just simply tap on FaceTime, and here you will have your FaceTime. So you just need to simply go with disable, which is on the bottom. Disable those option iMessage and FaceTime at a time, and then restart again. Within a minute, it will fix your problem. Or the third solution is to go to your screen time. So open up your settings. Under settings, you can just simply scroll down, go with screen time. Under screen time, you can scroll down and go with content and privacy restrictions. And here you need to turn off your content and privacy restrictions and then wait for a few seconds and then turn it on. After turning on, your problem may be fixed. And the next thing you can do is go with iTunes and App Store purchases. And here you need to select Don't Require, which is on the bottom. Now you can update your apps, then go back to your App Store and try if it's working. If it's still not working, then you can just simply go back, open up your App Store. And on your App Store, you need to go with your profile, which is on the top right. And here previously you've signed out of your account, right? So here it will ask you to sign into your Apple account. You just need simply tap on sign in. And with the sign in, you need to go with continue under setup media and purchases. And after continuing, your problem will be fixed. It won't ask you for your old Apple ID password. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.